Wonderful people, today I'm going to talk about my top 5 Creative Fabrica hacks that I use to boost my sales. And you can use these hacks to kickstart your Creative Fabrica store. Now, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, we do daily videos talking about passive income streams and strategies to help you get started making money online. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video. So if you are ready to unlock the power of Creative Fabrica and take your creative business to the next level, I have some strategies that will help you to boost your sales. Now, if you've been with me for a while, I've been sharing my thoughts on running a Creative Fabrica store and using the platform as a customer as well. And it has helped me immensely in my print-on-demand and KDP business as well. So I'm also going to share with you a video that is linked in the description box below about my income reveal from Creative Fabrica for only 6 products, and also another video for making money on Creative Fabrica. You can check that out after this one. So I'm going to share with you my top 5 hacks to supercharge your sales on Creative Fabrica. Now let's dive in and discover how you can make the most of this unique platform. Hack number 1 is utilize trending topics. Please keep an eye on the trending topics section on Creative Fabrica's homepage, and this is your golden opportunity to tap into the latest and the hottest design trends buyers seek. Get inspired, create designs that are relevant to the current season, the events, and the holidays. I just recently shared a video talking about the top 8 events that you need to be creating products for me, and I will do so every single month from now on, and you can see the video in the description link below. Also think ahead, stay ahead of the game to catch the attention of potential buyers with your fresh and trendy designs. Hack number 2 is to leverage the power of bundles. Create irresistible design bundles that offer great value to buyers. Bundle up your best-selling designs and related designs as well together to attract more sales. Offer exclusive discounts on your bundles to entice buyers to grab them quickly. Who can resist a good deal, right? And you can also, once you've done your bundle, you've formulated it and you've launched it, offer a discount, and if your bundle is really good, then you will also be featured on Creative Fabrica. They have a email newsletter, and they also have a Facebook page as well, and this will attract more buyers for your bundle. So the third hack is showcasing your portfolio. Invest time in creating a visually appealing and organized portfolio on Creative Fabrica. Show your best designs. Create an impressive profile that reflects your unique style and brand. Create a great eye-catching cover image as well for your products and also for your actual store in order to capture the attention of potential buyers. Now, a captivating cover image can make all the difference in getting your products noticed, and I will make a video in the upcoming week about how I create cover images for my products using Canva. And if you are interested in this video, comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Also, the fourth hack is to engage with the community. Participating in the Creative Fabrica community by leaving comments, sharing your thoughts, and offering help to others. This will help to build connections with fellow sellers and buyers, and will also help to open doors for collaborations and opportunities as well. Now, you can do so by the community tabs in Creative Fabrica, and you can also join their Facebook group, which is designed for Creative Fabrica sellers and buyers, and be part of the community discussions, the tips and the tricks as well. I'll promise you will learn a ton of valuable insights and connect with like-minded creatives when you are doing so. The last and final fifth hack for Creative Fabrica is take advantage of promotions. Keep an eye on Creative Fabrica promotions, such as their weekly discounted fonts, their graphics, their bundles. Jump on these promotions to offer your products at a discounted price and attract more sales. Offer limited time promotions, such as we've got flash sales, we've got exclusive discounts for either loyal customers or for event-based discounts as well. So create a sense of urgency, create a sense of excitement to encourage buyers to grab your products immediately. And you can also utilize the posting tab on Creative Fabrica to post about your products. So every now and then when you're about to launch a sale or release a new product, as soon as you've released it and it's become live, go ahead to the community tab or your actual tab that allows you to post an image of that product, or post a project that you've done using that product as well, to help keep the customers and the followers always updated and to connect with them as well. Creative Fabrica is an absolute goldmine for creative sellers. With these hacks, you can skyrocket your sales and you can boost your creative businesses to new heights as well. You can also access your first free month on Creative Fabrica using the link in the description box below. Now, would you consider setting up a store in Creative Fabrica? Would you like me to make a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create a Creative Fabrica store correctly? If so, comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to the channel for more. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.